There's a lovely moon over Clare, with the wind blowing in her hair, and she hears me singing over here. On a hillside on in the sheer, I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. A lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair. There's a lovely girl asking me would I like some fresh milk for my tea, and the lads next door playing near. On a hillside on in the sheer, I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. And a lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair. I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. A lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair. A lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair. And I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. A lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair, with the wind in her hair. Well, hi there pluckers, I'm Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting little lesson for you. This is a new song from a new album by Donovan, believe it or not. Came out in December 22, and the album's called Galia. I think that's the right pronunciation, Gaelia, and the track's called Moon Over Clare, which is Clare. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as Donovan, but he does, I believe, use a 12 string on this track, but I'm only using a 6 obviously, so to make do with that. Right, so the chords in the song itself are relatively straightforward. There's nothing unusual about the chords. Okay, so let's get to it. So there is no intro. It basically just plays a D chord and you're into the verse. Okay, so there's a lovely moon over Clare, with the wind blowing in her hair. First line of the first verse. Okay, so starts on the D. There's a lovely moon, A over Clare, E minor. Now this is a quick change. Just like 2 beats on the E minor, or 2 strokes on the E minor, and then you go to the G. Okay. There's a lovely moon over Clare, with the A chord, wind blowing in her D. Then you're off into the second line. Okay, so once again, D, there's a lovely A over Clare, E minor to G, A with the wind blowing in her D, and she hears me singing A over here, E minor to G, on A hillside in the sheer. Instead of playing the D, we play a B minor. Second line ends up on a B minor. Second fret bar chord minor shape, or just a simple B minor like that, 4 downwards. Okay. So that's the first verse. All the verses in the song basically play exactly the same way with different words. Okay. So once you've got a verse, you've got them all. And then it goes into the chorus, and we'll just before we go into the chorus, we'll just go through the verse again. So slowly, D. There's a lovely A over Clare, E minor minor to G, and the A wind blowing in her D here, and she hears me singing A over here, E minor to G, on A hillside and in a B minor sheer. No, right, and then go straight into the chorus, okay? Sheer, and I'll always G remember you, A, whenever I D wander, D, A, D. Bit of a quick change on the end of that first line of the chorus. So B minor, and always G remembered you, A. Sorry, so D minor, B minor again, sorry. And I'll always G remember you, A, whenever I D wander, D, A, D. Very quick change there, okay? So B minor, and I'll always G remember you, A, whenever D I wander, D, A, D. And the lovely moon A over Clare, G, with the A wind in her D, A, and then straight after the D to an A. So that second line is and a lovely A over Clare, G, with the A wind in her D, A, and then back to D for the next verse. Okay, so very slowly the first verse and the first chorus together, then you've got 90% of the song sorted, okay? So there's a lovely moon over Clare, with the wind blowing in her hair, and she hears me singing over here, on a hillside in a sheer, and I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. And a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in her hair. Next verse. And a lovely girl asking me, would I like some fresh tea? Bit of a strange timing on that line. So there's a lovely girl asking me, would I like some fresh milk for my tea? Now that's next door playing near, on a hillside in a sheer chorus, and I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. And a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in her hair. Now there's an instrumental sort of fluty bit goes on here, sort of orchestrated bit. And, it's just basically D, A, E minor to G to A, repeat, D, A, E minor to G to A, and go back into the chorus again. And I'll always remember you, whenever I wander to. And a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in her B minor, then G, A, D, D, A, D. Okay, so that's the last bit before it goes into the outro. On the last chorus, okay, it goes on a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in B minor hair, G, A, D, D, A, D. Now we're going into the final bit of the song, the outro. Okay, starts off with like the verse, and a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in her hair. Okay, so it's basically the same as a verse. Okay, so and the lovely moon over Clare, with the wind in her hair. And then never partial chorus, okay? And I'll always remember you whenever I wander to. And a lovely moon over Clare, with a wind in her hair, with a wind in her hair. So let's just go through the outro again. So after you come out of the final chorus where it goes, with a wind in a B minor, G, A, D, D, A, D, and a lovely moon A over Clare, G, with the A wind in her, D, A, and B minor, and always G remember you, A, whenever D I wander to, D, A, D, and the lovely moon A over Clare, G, and the wind in B minor, G, with the A wind in her, D, stop. I hope that makes sense to you. So hopefully it will. Thanks very much for listening, and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.